Hi, I'm Ilana Wilcox, co-founder of Urban Energy. We are thrilled and honored to be participating in the American-Made Solar Prize and helping to accelerate solar deployment in the United States with the Urban Energy Solar Canopy. In the U.S., 70% of energy is consumed in urban areas, but despite all the incentives in major cities like New York, Chicago, and D.C., solar deployment in these areas remains low. The problem is that multifamily buildings, which make up the majority of buildings in dense urban areas, do not have the right solar solutions available to them. Multifamily building owners often don't have the cash to pay for solar arrays, so third-party financing is critical to deployment. However, solar financiers are not interested in urban multifamily projects with the current technology available. These pre-1940s buildings have small, overcrowded roofs, so industry-standard roof-level systems cannot produce enough revenue to be attractive investments. Solar canopies that increase array area exist on the market, but are too expensive for third-party financing and have point loads that pre-war buildings cannot support. The Urban Energy Solar Canopy avoids roof penetrations altogether by attaching to the exterior walls of the building. These structural straps avoid roof load altogether while accommodating for up to 60-foot spans and exceed the highest ASCE wind load standards. Urban Energy Solar Canopy is the first scalable, financeable solar canopy solution designed for multifamily buildings. Urban Energy's solar canopy is designed to have our components be modular, which reduces material costs and installation time, and allows for 80% of the parts on any single solar canopy to be standardized, regardless of the building's size, height, spans, and wind load factors. What makes the solar canopy financeable? Aside from fitting more modules on the same roof area, the Urban Energy Solar Canopy is acceptable for financing at an installed cost of under $3 per watt, compared to the $7 per watt of the solar canopies currently available on the market. While more expensive than a roof-level system, the solar canopy's cost per kilowatt hour is 10% lower. This is due to our proprietary racking technology designed to maximize bifacial gain and our in-house engineering, procurement, and construction team. This means for a 120 kilowatt system, the lifetime value to the building owner is $250,000. The financier is guaranteed a 10% IRR and a mere 3 to 5 year payback period, and Urban Energy achieves a gross profit of $70,000. Our independently verified production and financing models have allowed us to secure 53 contracts for the solar canopy across 4 different ownership groups and 3 different project financiers. These projects alone equate to nearly 400,000 tons of carbon emissions eliminated annually. With the $10 billion New York City multifamily solar market facing less than 1% solar penetration, Urban Energy is poised to capture a significant share of this market by deploying our product with an in-house development and installation. Our goal is to expand to other urban multifamily markets in the U.S., which represents a $515 billion opportunity, by selling the solar canopy racking product packaged with engineering, production modeling, and installation support to developers and installers for less than $1 per watt, while maintaining our practice of domestic fabrication. Our version 1 pilot projects have reached 90% completion. We were able to iterate the version 1 design for the second pilot project to decrease part numbers, parapet anchors, and cost, despite the higher wind exposure zone. Our Canopy 2.0 is now in the design and permitting stage and will be implemented on 50 low and moderate income multifamily buildings across Brooklyn, Manhattan, and the Bronx. From version 1 to version 2, we replaced the canopy level torque tubes and I-beams with a standardized truss component, decreasing part numbers by 80%. The version 2 truss design will cut material and logistical delivery costs by 20% and reduce installation time by 25%. As a result of the fewer and lighter components. With the help of mentors from the NYSERDA-funded accelerator Scale for Climate Tech, our partner engineering firm Tectonic, and funds from the SET Prize, we have established concrete steps to reaching 80% component standardization and a gross project cost of less than $3 per watt for version 3. We have also signed a $5 million debt facility term sheet, which will allow us to complete wind tunnel testing on the version 2 design, as well as hire team members across all departments. Our team consists of myself, Alana, our co-founder Russell, and 3 advisors with decades of combined experience in strategy, business development, and supply chain. We also have a team of 3 engineers, 3 construction managers, and our operations lead and intern. Since April, we've quadrupled our in-house labor team, and we are currently in the process of hiring an operations manager, sales associate, and project manager. Winning the GO Prize will provide us with the capital we need to scale at the rate we are prepared for. The funds will accelerate our timeline from canopy development to deployment and enable the Urban Energy Solar Canopy to be sold as a product to urban developers nationwide. Thank you to the American Made Solar Prize for the opportunity to make commercialization of the solar canopy a reality.